Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an app to your Stream Deck. So in order to add an app, you simply need to go to the System tab on the left side and select Open. You can drag it somewhere. You can also change its icon, of course, and then you can also change the title and point to a file. And what's the best is click on the file here. Then you can I wouldn't really open them like as a shortcut because these shortcuts can change in the future, but you can simply find here different apps that you may want to open. Then if it's a shortcut, then right click on it and click on open file location, then select that file that it's pointing to, click on open, and now I'm gonna remove the title because I think it's unnecessary here. And now you can see that app is added. I can click on it to open that app. So let's see, you can see it opens the app. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.